Are you tired of feeling weak and vulnerable in today's unpredictable world? Look no further. In this video, we will unlock the 7 secrets of Miyamoto Musashi, a legendary samurai who mastered the art of becoming a dangerous man. Secret 1. Embrace discipline. Discipline is the foundation of success in any endeavor. Without discipline, it is impossible to achieve anything of significance. Miyamoto Musashi, a legendary Japanese swordsman, believed that discipline was the key to mastering any skill, including the art of swordsmanship. He believed that discipline was not just about following rules and regulations, but also about cultivating a strong work ethic and a sense of personal responsibility. To embrace discipline, one must first develop a clear sense of purpose and direction. This requires setting clear goals and developing a plan of action to achieve them. It also requires a willingness to work hard and to persevere in the face of obstacles and setbacks. Musashi's philosophy of discipline is rooted in the idea of self-mastery. He believed that true discipline comes from within, and that it is the result of a deep commitment to personal growth and development. In his book, The Book of Five Rings, Musashi writes, "You must understand that there is more than one path to the top of the mountain." This quote highlights the importance of finding one's own path to success, rather than simply following the paths of others. One of the key aspects of discipline is consistency. To achieve mastery in any skill, one must be consistent in their efforts. This means practicing regularly, even when it is difficult or inconvenient. Musashi believed that consistency was the key to developing a strong work ethic and a sense of personal responsibility. Another important aspect of discipline is focus. To achieve one's goals, it is essential to stay focused on the task at hand. This requires avoiding distractions and staying committed to the plan of action. Musashi believed that focus was the key to achieving success in any endeavor. So, embracing discipline is essential for anyone who wants to achieve success in any endeavor. It requires developing a clear sense of purpose and direction, setting clear goals, and developing a plan of action to achieve them. It also requires a willingness to work hard, to persevere in the face of obstacles and setbacks, and to stay focused on the task at hand. As Musashi himself said, "The ultimate aim of martial arts is not having to use them. By embracing discipline, one can become a master of their craft and achieve success in all areas of life." Secret 2. Cultivate mental resilience. Mental resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and to remain focused and determined in the face of challenges. Miyamoto Musashi believed that mental resilience was essential for success in any endeavor, including the art of swordsmanship. To cultivate mental resilience, one must learn to embrace failure as a learning opportunity. This requires developing a growth mindset and a willingness to take risks and to learn from mistakes. It also requires developing a strong sense of self-awareness and a willingness to seek feedback and guidance from others. Secret 3. Develop unparalleled focus. Focus is the ability to concentrate one's attention on a single task or objective. Miyamoto Musashi believed that focus was essential for success in the art of swordsmanship, as well as in any other endeavor. To develop unparalleled focus, one must learn to eliminate distractions and to prioritize one's time and energy. This requires developing a clear sense of purpose and direction, as well as a willingness to say no to activities and distractions that do not align with one's goals. Secret 4. Master multiple skills. Miyamoto Musashi was not just a master swordsman, but also a skilled artist, calligrapher, and poet. He believed that mastering multiple skills was essential for personal growth and development. To master multiple skills, one must first develop a growth mindset and a willingness to learn new things. This requires a willingness to step outside one's comfort zone and to embrace new challenges and opportunities. It also requires a willingness to seek out mentors and teachers who can provide guidance and support. Secret 5. Embrace the art of patience. Patience is the ability to remain calm and composed in the face of adversity and to persevere in the pursuit of one's goals. Miyamoto Musashi believed that patience was essential for success in the art of swordsmanship as well as in any other endeavor. To embrace the art of patience, one must learn to cultivate a sense of inner calm and tranquility. This requires developing a regular meditation or mindfulness practice, as well as a willingness to accept things as they are and to let go of attachment to outcomes. Secret 6. Embody fearlessness. Fearlessness is the ability to remain calm and composed in the face of danger and to act decisively in the pursuit of one's goals. Miyamoto Musashi believed that fearlessness was essential for success in the art of swordsmanship, as well as in any other endeavor. To embody fearlessness, one must learn to cultivate a sense of inner strength and courage. This requires developing a strong sense of self-confidence and a willingness to take risks and to face challenges head-on. Secret 7. Live with a warrior spirit. Living with a warrior spirit means embracing a mindset of strength, courage, and determination. Miyamoto Musashi believed that living with a warrior spirit was essential for success in the art of swordsmanship, as well as in any other endeavor. To live with a warrior spirit, one must learn to cultivate a sense of inner strength and resilience. This requires developing a strong sense of purpose and direction, as well as a willingness to persevere in the face of adversity and to never give up on one's goals and dreams. Miyamoto Musashi's teachings are still relevant today and can be applied to various aspects of life. By embracing discipline, cultivating mental resilience, developing unparalleled focus, mastering multiple skills, embracing the art of patience, embodying fearlessness, and living with a warrior spirit, any man can become dangerous. These secrets are not just for warriors, but for anyone who wants to achieve success in life. Remember, as Musashi said, "From one thing know 10,000 things."